Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to alphabetize data by sorting in Google Sheets. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe 5-minute solution. So first of all, open your sheet and select all of your datas and click on data and click on sort range, and here you can select sort range by column A to Z, or you can select sort range by column J to A. So right now, for example, I'm going to selecting sort range by column A to Z, and this is how we can alphabetize data by sorting in Google Sheets. So if this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to 5-minute solution. Thank you for watching.